In a grand kingdom nestled amidst lush green valleys and towering mountains, there ruled a wise and beloved king named King Edmund. King Edmund was known throughout the land for his fairness, kindness, and unwavering dedication to his people. He was respected by all, from the noble knights to the humblest villagers. King Edmund had a daughter named Princess Isabella, who was his pride and joy. Princess Isabella was not only beautiful, but also possessed a sharp mind and a compassionate heart. She often accompanied her father on his royal duties, learning from him about the responsibilities of leadership and the importance of caring for their kingdom's citizens. One fateful day, a dark cloud descended upon the kingdom. Rumors spread of an impending invasion by a neighboring realm led by the ruthless and power-hungry Duke Mortimer. The king and his counselors strategized day and night to prepare for the potential conflict, but tensions grew as the enemy forces drew closer. Despite the looming threat, Princess Isabella remained steadfast and determined to help her father and their people. She spent her days visiting the towns and villages, offering words of encouragement and comfort to those worried about the uncertain times ahead. As the day of battle approached, King Edmund made a difficult decision to send Princess Isabella away to a remote castle for her safety. Heartbroken but obedient, Princess Isabella bid farewell to her father and departed under the protection of loyal knights. Meanwhile, Duke Mortimer's army advanced toward the kingdom, leaving devastation in its wake. King Edmund led his soldiers with courage and determination, but the odds seemed grim against the overwhelming enemy forces. In the midst of the chaos, Princess Isabella received word of her father's bravery and the dire situation facing their kingdom. Unable to sit idle, she made a bold decision to return to the kingdom secretly, determined to stand by her father's side. Disguised as a common traveler, Princess Isabella slipped through enemy lines and reached the kingdom's capital. There, she witnessed firsthand the destruction caused by Duke Mortimer's invasion. Determined to help, she sought out the resistance fighters and shared her plan to support her father. With Princess Isabella's strategic insight and unwavering determination, the kingdom's defenders rallied together. Under her leadership, they devised a daring plan to outmaneuver Duke Mortimer's forces and reclaim their land. On the eve of the final battle, Princess Isabella revealed herself to her father, who was overjoyed to see his daughter safe and determined to fight alongside him. United in purpose and resolve, King Edmund and Princess Isabella led their forces into battle. The clash was fierce, but Princess Isabella's strategic brilliance turned the tide in favor of the kingdom's defenders. Duke Mortimer's forces were pushed back, and the enemy's morale crumbled in the face of the king and princess's unwavering courage. In the end, the kingdom emerged victorious, and Duke Mortimer was defeated. King Edmund and Princess Isabella stood side by side, gazing out over their kingdom with pride and gratitude for their people's resilience and unity. The story of King Edmund and Princess Isabella's courage and sacrifice became legend, inspiring generations to come. Their unwavering devotion to their kingdom and each other exemplified the true meaning of leadership and love. And amidst the tranquility that followed, the bond between father and daughter grew even stronger, a testament to their enduring legacy of bravery and unity.